Are they going to tire out?
Imagine if people had fun like that. Like, call friends, whatever. I think
They're pooped out.
They're both pooped there.
Yeah, I don't know if they can get a drink.
Sophie!
Hey. You drink your water? Come on, boys.
So, I think you had the right idea.
Sophie, come on. Here we go.
Good puppies.
So hit the teeth left that time.
Yes.
What was that?
The way she ran. She was like snake.
She did a zigzag going in the mud. Why did they have to pick the muckiest? I know, it's like, yeah, the monkey.
Get out.
The muckiest part is right.
Ready?
Come on, Soph!
Come! Come! Come on! Like this.
He probably wants a drink of water before he goes.
Yeah.
You want to bring a bowl out?
Yeah, that's why I come out to see.
Okay, yeah. She probably does too. Yeah, she probably does. Come on, Soph! Come on, Soph! Come on! Come on, Soph!
Hi.
Come on! Right back into the wettest monkey.
Yeah, think about how well this is. Come!
What's it?
Come on!
Hi, Sophie.
Probably not a lot out there.
No, there's one like little general store. I haven't been in a bag store. I'm sure everything's you're paying for it. Oh, yeah, right. You're paying. It's definitely taxed. I mean, without a doubt, in my mind.
They know there's water up there. They can drink them out of it. Well, how long would they keep this up if you just let them do it?
Until I get tired.
An hour. 1 hour, 22 minutes.
But then they'll stop for like a couple of minutes and go right, she'll go right back at it. Like right now, you know, she's getting a breather, be right back at it though.
He's beaten. He's ready to stop.
hell.
Settle down.
She's a bundle.
There ain't no more like her though. Similar.
He's all tangled up in his leash now.
She plays with our neighbor's dog quite a bit. He's like, well, all three of their dogs. The big one's, he's like 150 pounds. His back is that tall, I swear to God.
Oh yeah, Sophie plays with that giant.
Buddy, he's huge. He's a big, giant ball of mud.
Right.
Yeah, what's he?
Hi.
Saint Bernard and a Mastiff.
Hi, Sophie. Sophie, come here, Sophie.
She does much better with male dogs.
Yeah.
Every time she's around with a female, she's fighting. Well, they just end up not really fighting, but squabbling so
Right.
much. It's like, before it gets to that point.
I call him Charlie Cat. He's gonna use his size to knock her down.
Look at his face.
He's like, what the hell? Come on, stop! Please!
Holy shit. His eyes are all bugged out.
Derp. He's gone back for more.
Let's go.
Now she gets the second win. Go! Go! Go, Sophie, go!
Well, I think they're both good.
Spring. It's like she's on springs too. She can bounce right
Yeah,
up in
she's
the
got
air.
really long legs for her scale, you know what I mean?
Sophie got him down.
No, that's showing dominance is what that is though.
And what was
Standing
that?
over him
No,
like
that
that.
was Watson taking a breather.
Yeah. And dog eyes, that's what they're doing though when they do that, stand over you. Same thing when they try to stand over you, like over your face. She tries to do it.
She goes for his neck and he lays down on it.
He's gonna fight sitting down now.
Oh, now we'll do it laying down for a minute.
They could easily hurt each other if they wanted.
Oh yeah.
But they're just
Definitely. No, they're playing great together.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. They're getting along looking good. Because I know she can fight hard. I've been
Well, the reason I didn't bring him out here at first is because when he was little, he used to be playing and then he'd get really intense and like bark and growl and like really bite.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
well, I can turn her right on and off, like just like switching a switch. I can play with her and she'd be all like coming at me vicious and just stop and she'd pat and just like you don't even do nothing. She's really good like that. She has a soft split. Some dogs, you get them wound up and they don't stop.
Yeah.
There is no.
he stops, but it takes him a few minutes once he gets up.
but I'm happy that he's there
Oh,
playing.
he'll sleep good tonight.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Ready? Ready?
she's still eating hers. It's okay.
Like a lady.
My other one? Sophie. Watson. Watson. You want another one? I'll take it. He's slow.
Good, good. Good boy.
Did you give him one?
Good girl. Good girl.
There's one on the ground. You just stepped on it.
There you go. There you go.
Much like those. Some cups you won't eat.